They do it like this in the real world, which is kind of cool. The science.
Science!
It's the donkey kick. Very effective. Today's demo day. In the bistro building, we found these beautiful bow trusses that are exposed redwood. Here, we're not really sure what we're gonna find. We hope to find bow trusses, but the reality is we don't think it's there. So we're gonna get inside, start demoing the ceiling, and we'll find out.
Vamos a empezar a demoler el techo.
Before we begin with any demo, we need to plan out our demolition. And so our architect helps us craft what you see right here, which is a demo plan. Everything that you see that's got this hashing, this line weight here, is going to be removed. And so when a contractor shows up, they look at this and they say, okay, it looks like we're removing this bathroom. Looks like we're removing the ceiling. In addition to that, there's also these notes. If you read the notes, it'll tell you exactly what we're demoing. And so demo existing ceiling to expose existing roof structure, which is what we're doing now. Our demo crew is kicking ass. We're finally figuring out what's above the ceiling. What we thought would be bow truss is actually this beautiful steel that's tapered. So keep watching and we'll find out what the rest looks like. Exposing this brick is a huge pain in the butt. Effectively, you got to take one of these or a hammer chisel, and you just got to go in until you see some of the red brick. Lucky for us, we're not going to be the ones doing it. Until next time, it's your favorite Bostonian, Mark Wahlberg. We're out.